What's up, guys? So today we're going to do a quick unboxing and we're going to use it. This is the Craftsman V20 lithium 13-inch 330 millimeter. This is the combo kit. Comes with the weed eater and the blower. Now I'm going to tell you, I have fought battery powered weed eaters and blowers. I like the smell of gas. What can I say? I like the smell of gas. It is what it is. What can I say? But I figured I've been using the fan and I'm impressed with it. So let's give them a shot. I mean, I don't want to knock something that I've never tried. So we'll give our impressions. Our impressions are, it feels like a piece of plastic. Is there another part? I think there might be another one. Here, let's set this right up here. So this is the blower. I mean, it's interesting. It's pretty light. We'll see once we get a battery in it. And here's the weed eater. What's this? I'll have to read the instructions. This too feels very light. I wonder if that's for like a handle. I think it is. It is for a handle. Stay. Can you stay? Right there. Thank you. Oh, we got more way down here. Here, let's try to do this the smart way. Okay, I was hoping that would fall, but it did not. Like I said, I've been fighting the battery-powered stuff. I know it's the way of the future. I just don't like it. I like this. I like the smell of burning two-stroke. Comes with a 2-amp battery. That's always appreciated. Oh my God, it comes with a charger. I don't want to make that sound bad. It's good that it comes with a charger because otherwise how would you charge your stuff? But everything I've purchased from Craftsman comes with a charger. I've got too many Craftsman chargers laying around. That will be number 4. There's the handle for the weed eater. Here's the instructions. And here is the guard. I mean, it's packaged as well as you can think. I got this at Lowe's. It was, I don't remember, $150, something like that. Okay, so the blower, I guess the blower is fairly self-explanatory. Let's give it a shot. Where's my battery? Here, I got a charged up 2-amp battery. That's the one it came with. Oh my goodness. That definitely puts out some air. I'm actually impressed. I am actually impressed. I can't bring myself to get rid of this old leather tool bag. My dad gave that to me. I just don't want to get rid of it, but I don't even use it. So we got the new battery in the charger there. Oh, they cover the little razor up with a piece of cardboard. That's mighty kind of them. Screwdriver. I use electrical screwdrivers for everything. I love these things. They're 1,000-volt screwdrivers. Unnecessary, but I really like them. So like I said, I use them for everything. I am not looking at the instructions at all to put this together. It seems fairly self-explanatory. It doesn't appear that instructions are required. Although I probably should read them. Yeah, I never. You guys know. You've been here long enough. You know. All right. Now the seams. Wait a minute. It telescopes. I was gonna say that seems really short, but oh wow. All right. Well, this is gaining some points for sure. I still don't know about the performance of a battery power. It doesn't seem to me like it would be decent. Oh, okay, so you could push that to adjust this. Okay. I mean, I like how light it is. Let's take our charged up 2-amp battery. I've also got 4-amp batteries. Give it a shot. Got a high and a low. Let's remove our battery for safety purposes. Take the tape off this so we can actually hear that trimmer line whizzing in the wind. Okay, it's not a dual line, it's only a single line, but I don't care. It cuts weeds, right? Is it like auto feed? All right, well, I guess it must auto feed. I should really take the battery out when I do that. Here's low. And here's high. I like how you can kind of shift on the fly. So let's I guess let's just go give it a shot, huh? What do you guys think? Let's go give it a shot. I've been wanting to cut the stuff by these steps anyway. All right. Now let's try the blower. Same battery as we were using on the weed eater. Sorry for the mess. You're not going to be able to see much, but let's see how it works. So in short, I don't know. They'll do the job. Time will only tell how long they will last, but I'm excited to try them. I'm going to go burn through. I've got a couple 4-amp batteries charged up too. I'm going to go burn through some batteries, put them through the test, and so far, I think they're going to do the job. You know, I guess to a certain extent, it's kind of nice not having to mix fuel, even though I like doing that, but I don't know. We'll see how they turn out. And anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a million.